Hi guys, welcome back to Divanays channel. For those who are new, hi, I want to welcome you. And for those who are returning, hi, wagwan, you dick. You guys are going to be getting ready with me, but getting ready to go where? Like, to go where? What, in my yard? Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel. It only takes a minute. And yeah, let me just wait for you guys to do so. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Get ready with me, ready with me, ready with me. Guys, as you can see, I've done my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to see how I get my eyebrows laid like this, I will put my video in the description box below. But without further ado, I don't even know what I'm even doing. Guys, I'm literally thinking off my head. What do you guys think? I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place palette, the Magic Mini, and I cross between these two, but I don't know what I want to do with my eyes. Let me do a nude cut crease or something like that. Guys, gosh, I decided to use the mini palette. I may use both, to be honest, and I'm going to use Nana as my transitional color, followed by Zakaya, and then I'll go to my Morphe palette. When it comes to it, I will show you. Okay, so I'm going to use my Morphe palette because it's got a mirror here, but I will be using some colors from here, but I showed you the colors what I was using before, people. So let's get into this. Where am I actually going, people? Because like, this is actually like a waste of makeup, but sometimes I literally like to get like dolled up. I'm a type of person, like, I'm not a person that really goes out like that as such, but or even wears makeup like that, but I always feel that I can't even get the words out. What's going on? Anyway, yeah, I just, you know, feel like wearing on makeup. By the way, that is the color Nana that I'm going in with in that color. Don't worry guys, I'll put this in the description box below. So yeah, I'm just going to do this. The reason why I come up with this look is because I don't really go for like nude looks. So when I'm like doing makeup, I always like to go for pinks. Even though I don't like pink like that, but I always feel like pink suits me. Yeah, I get ready to sit in my yard and have two Jack Daniels and whatever comes along with it. Why does it look so orange on the camera? Anyway, yeah, I'm just patting this on. Sorry guys, I never tell you guys what brush I use. This is Real Techniques base shadow brush. I'm just gonna do this. And this color is Zakari. Guys, this is like quick makeup to me. So look at the way I was putting my eyeshadow. Literally just dashing it on my eyelids. Like, this lockdown is really doing my head in. Like, it's not good for my mental state. Being at home, sitting like a log, like, what am I actually doing? A lot of people have been saying that, you know, it's just a, guys, if I speak, you know what, this is just a subject. I don't want to talk about lockdown. Lockdown has happened since the beginning of this year, and it's just like, like, I can't be asked. I really can't be asked. I won't even talk about it. Let's go with the P.louise base in the color 4. I'm gonna do a cut crease, guys. I have like semi-hooded eyes, so I have to make my cut crease come a bit higher. So yeah. Then guys, I'm going to go in with this actual palette in, oh god, sorry, the brightness of the mirror. The mirror looks kind of dirty. So I'm gonna go in with this color here called Throwback and place that underneath the orange bit of the eye. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, people. That's what I'm gonna do. Guys, like, I have to tell you guys a secret. Like, I don't really like doing makeup. It's not like really my thing. It really isn't. I hate having makeup on. It makes my skin itch. it just irritates me. Like, I'm one of them people, I can't wait to come home, grab the wipes and go and wash my face off. I don't know how people do it. Like, my skin obviously ain't too bad, but me makeup, it is not me. Like, if you know me, you just see that I just literally just wear the minimal mascara and Vaseline on my lips. I'm not a type of person to be wearing all this kind of malarkey on my face. Have you got time for this? No. I'm using this brush by Revolution to cut my crease. I'm using the P.louise base, as I just said, in colour 4. Guys, very good, let me do this. Shh. Alright guys, I've done a cut crease, but I think one's higher than the other. Oh my days, this is why I don't do cut crease, people. So I'm just going to dab the P.louise into my mascara. Guys, I've spoke. Even though the cut crease come out a bit funky, like, listen, I'm not into these rainbow looking I'm not into these rainbow looking cut crease, people. I'm gonna go back in with the Juvia's Place and go with this colour called Kizzy, just to pat on top of my cut crease. Guys, I really like Tiana, what's her name again? Tiana Taylor. I love her so much. Her music, her voice, like, she is literally popping. What type of cut crease is this? Oh my days. Okay, let me just fix this. Let me just stop the filmer for a minute, please. Guys, let's not even talk about the makeup I'm doing. The makeup must say I'm not going nowhere, so look, hi, hello. Nah, this is gonna irritate me. Guys, I really need to move swiftly from this eye makeup because it's actually doing my head in. Oh, let me go for sorry. Okay, sorry, but not sorry. And I'm just going to place that on the edge of there. I'll try my best to fix this. Okay, people? Then I'm also going with the colour from this palette called Woke Up Like This. I'm just going to place that over the cut crease, just here. I don't really want to make a, what's the word, a very defined cut crease. It's just to, you know, just do the nude bit in the front. But I don't want to make too much of a harsh, you know, a harsh line. So yeah guys, my eyes are done. Thank the Lord. And I think I've made mistakes, but this makeup is looking kind of mad. How come the first time out of all times my makeup is coming out of it looking cray cray? Oh my god, it's like the makeup from hell, mate. Guys, this is why I don't do cut crease, because the cut crease is looking kind of mad. But we move, we all move. And I'm going to be using my Loreal True Match. I'm just going to put it on my skin like this. Let that drop, baby. With this foundation, you really drop to my top, guys. It dropped to my top. Yes, and I'm going to go with the Revolution brush and just dab this all in. Okay, people. You see how it just blends in? This True Match is just, oh my god. It's like the best drugstore foundation ever. Right guys, it's all blended and it's all blended. Okay it underneath my eye. Right guys, do you think I should do more hauls? I don't know, like I feel like I'm not bored of a haul, but I don't know, it's not my thing to be like trying on clothes and displaying it, but at the same time, like, I don't know, I don't have time for it, to be honest. And I'm just like, yeah, I don't know, man. Let me just blend this out. So guys, that's all done. Well, I think. And now I'm gonna go in with the Sleek Contour Palette. And this is Extra Dark 977. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. No. This color right here. Alright guys, I'm just gonna use my finger. Just to, I know it seems so not ghetto, but sorry. Sometimes you just leave out the brush. You don't need it. I'm just gonna do that here. So guys, as you do, yes, blend that up, upwards into the concealer. Can you guys see? Can you guys see this? Ooh. So I'm just blending that up. Wait. Now I'm going to use some baking powder to bake on my eye. This is the Sasha buttercup. I'm going to use it just to bake under my eye. Guys, what do you think? Like, what do you think I should do next? You guys, give some comments down below. You like to watch what, you know, what you kind of like, what's the word, request. So you should guys just let me know, man. Let me know, man. I got some soldiers in here with it. You gotta spit it on me with it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna dust off this baking powder. Dust all this crap off my face. And then I'm going to go in, people, with... This video is actually all over the place. Like, it's the first time I feel like so scatty. Like, really? I'm gonna go back in with the throwback and go underneath my arm. You know, guys, feeling a bit on edge right now. Guys, please just let me breathe. I really can't do this makeup right now. I really can't. This makeup is 10 out like trouble. Please guys let me know what you think, because I do not like this makeup at all. I'm putting on the more mascara. I've got my eyelashes. Has anyone actually tried a restaurant up in Mayfair called Big Fish? I really want to go there. The decor looks so beautiful. All I'm really doing is sitting at home reminiscing and or wishing I could go to certain places. If anyone's been to Big Fish, please let me know. Let me know if it's highly recommended. Right guys, I'm gonna take the Revolution Golden Glare Skin Finish. This is what I always use. You guys should know. If you know, you know. You know, I don't play around with this skin finish. I use it literally every time I apply makeup to my face. Like, this is my thing. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place, and then I always get this wrong, guys, so don't judge me. It's called P.louise highlighter by Juvia Nefertiti. Yeah, it does come out a lot. It's actually on the top, as you guys can see. Like, there's girls out there who love to look like flipping clowns and they're putting on their highlighter. Not me. Even this is too much. Look at it, guys. Oh, but let's do that little glow. This lip liner, guys, I'm being so rude. This lip liner is the one I always use, Intense Color Lip Liner by Emily Academy. You get it from Superdress. It's called Obsession, you know. And yes, people, yes. I'm gonna take this elf look. Nah, I can't even speak. I am going to take this lip liqueur in the color Moody, and it's by elf. I'm so rough in it. Alright guys, I'm gonna get undressed and come back and show you the complete look. So guys, this is the finished look. It's a mesh dress from Pretty Little Thing. I'll put it in the link below. I don't like my makeup, people. Oh. I don't like it. So people, if you did enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And like guys, it's like I'm flirting with the camera. Can you see how my head is sideways? And I'm just like this, like, yeah. Please join the family. And yeah, look out for my next video. Next video should be fun. So just subscribe. You see the next video. I shall see you guys on my next fun video. Ooh. Guys, see you. I love you all. And enjoy your evening, because it's evening right now and I'm filming this. So bye bye. Adios amigos.